Hi guys, today we will talk about how to log out on your Tinder app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this mark, then it's going to take you to next window here or your profile, and you just go up, you click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here or settings window, and you just go down here, so you just keep going and so you keep going and you come here to log out. You just click here on log out and it's going to so you go to out on your account or that's all you have to do, just click here. So I wish you are get it now. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So see you next video.